Hi, welcome back to Olyscuisines channel. You guys, I've been on a roll this evening. I've just been doing voiceovers upon voiceovers for a lot of my videos, but this is the last one, so I sound a bit tired because I'm actually tired. Anyway, so I'm making tomato stew. So inside this pot, I've been boiling blended tomatoes, and as you can see, I just added blended onions. I added tomato paste. So I'm going to let everything cook until the water dries out. Just let that cook. Okay, so this is a goat meat tomato stew. So now I'm going to prep the goat meat, putting in some salt, some Knorr cube seasoning, then mix that, and some blended onions. Added some blended onions, some blended bell peppers, I added cayenne pepper as well, and onions, and then I stirred everything together, and I cooked this on very low heat. I cooked it on the lowest heat for that particular burner. So next was chopping the leaves. I just wanted to show you guys when I was chopping this parsley on my new chopping board. I love this chopping board, guys. Like, I love it. Like, looking at it now, I'm just smiling like a goat. Anywho, so after this had cooked and the goat meat was tender, I just poured in the tomato mix, and I put in some dry ginger, some dry garlic, cayenne pepper again, seasoning, salt, all of that. And then I added in vegetable oil. I covered that and allowed it to cook. So I just let it cook until the oil floated on top, and I added some onions because I love onions. I added some onions, added the parsley, added scent leaves and pumpkin leaves, right? So everything I use for this video is in the description box. Yeah, and if you enjoyed this video, please let me know. This was very sumptuous. I wanted a very spicy goat meat tomato stew, and I wanted to be able to chew things like the onions and the leaves and all of that. This tasted really nice. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.
You let me build up my feelings. You shatter them quickly, I let you. It's easier than fighting.